Hey guys, another declutter. I think we're into the day 40s now. So I hadn't done much this week. I have uploaded all the videos again. So I've decluttered my YouTube videos once again. I think I'm nearly at the point where I could upload this one straight after. I wasn't feeling the best this week, so I'm not gonna lie, we didn't do much on the declutter front. But yesterday even though I still wasn't feeling great, I couldn't deal with a crappy looking house anymore. So I managed to push. There's two boxes over there. There's the fridge, and then there is a battery thing for camping. Battery pack thing. All sitting outside the door. I just want to move them down to the shed and store them away. So that is my declutter for today. Where could I put this? See, it's really hard because I want to start editing videos, but I know if I edit the videos, I won't have the time to then upload them because I'm wasting time. So I kind of just want to jump on and be like, hey, this is what I'm doing. But then I also know that people that watch decluttering videos actually like to see the progress of people decluttering. But maybe next week might be the goal for that. You coming out, puppy dog? So yeah, look, I'll get these moved, and yeah, the dog wants to be with me. Scudgems, Scudgems, Scudgy Woodgy. You're Scudge. He's a mess, aren't you? You want to say hi? Yeah, so look, I'll get these 4 things moved. Anybody else doing this declutter with me challenge? Oh my God, I just realized the kids have the front door open. Good dog for coming out to me. And I might also rake up some leaves. As you can tell, like, this really could do with a blowout, but we're at a stalemate with the backyard. We haven't done anything since. Depending on what Tom wants to do tomorrow, I'm so tempted to just bring back a digger and do it myself. Maybe next week, if he's on some jobs and he doesn't need a digger, I might just see what I can do. One of those, better to ask for forgiveness. I think I can place this here. Better to ask for forgiveness sometimes than it is to ask for permission, isn't it? So, yeah. Oh, sorry guys, you get to see if I'll take that away. I don't think it's going to work. The handle's broken out of this one, so it doesn't. Yeah, no, that's not going to work. Crappy filming, anyone? And the YouTuber of the year for crappy filming goes to Mel. We had a bit of bad news there as well. We had somebody lined up to buy a machine, and unfortunately he just rang me to say that he forgot about payroll tax, which was something I've never heard about until today. So payroll tax is an extra fucking tax that the government throw at you if you spend over $1 million, I think it was, in wages. So fuck me, number one, they must be a big company if they're spending that kind of money on wages. But yeah, it's like 5.5%. So that's going to be a lot of money for him. So he can't buy our machine now, so he's a bit disappointed. So they're bringing that back down tomorrow, and I was kind of hoping that would be that machine gone this weekend. It's funny, I should have invoiced him last night and invoiced him later for the trailer, because he was saying that I wouldn't be, if he had come to me and said that, I would have just cancelled the invoice. But last night he was like, invoice me and I'll pay it straight away. And he was like, we just have to figure out the transfer of the ownership of the trailer. And I'm like, wait, hang on. We didn't talk about the trailer. The trailer is a 12 grand trailer. You're not getting that for free. So yeah, I had to get the rego of the trailer off him. And then I was like, we can do the trailer for 7.5, and he pulled. So I don't know. He sounds genuine, but it's a shame. But you know what? Everything happens for a reason. The man wasn't meant to buy the posi. We can still sell the posi in the tumper. All is good. I'll just do some bay leaves on it. And tomorrow is the Jupiter, not conjunction, Sesame, where Jupiter goes in the heart of the sun, and it's supposed to be the luckiest day of the year. And in the morning when I wake up, I want to check my astrology chart, because depending on where the sun is in Jupiter and what house it falls in will determine where I'm going to be lucky. So if it's finances, health, organization, renovation, relationship, secrets. The 12 houses is something I need to learn more about, because it's something I don't know that much about myself. Same with the planets. So maybe it'll be like the beginner's guide to the planets and the beginner's guide to astrology, taught to you by a beginner. All these random video ideas I come up with when I'm meant to be talking to you guys about what I'm actually decluttering. It's like my brain declutters. Anyway, I've only brought down one box. I can bring down this trolley as well. That shovel can go out the front. These chairs, they go with that table. But I might light the fire pit tonight with the kids, because I've got a load of leaves to burn. So we might do some marshmallows and some logs on the fire pit. Tom's out for another hour. So yeah, that might be the goal. So look, I'll get on to this before it gets dark and get the fire pit out and do some more decluttering by raking up a heap of leaves. And this bag is full of leaves as well from about a month ago. So it'll be nice to get rid of that too and give this a bit of a once over. So yeah, look, I'll let you guys go. I hope you have a great Friday evening. Move that too. And I'll talk to you later. Cheers.